How to see who saved your post on Instagram. In today's video, I will show you step by step on how to see who saved your post in Instagram. So after you open up your Instagram app like this, go and tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, now scroll to down and tap on this where it says account type and tool, this one. After you open this, now tap on this switch to professional account. So before you see this option on Instagram, you must switch to professional account. So tap on this continue, and tap on this, as you can see now, blogger. Select blogger and tap on this done button. So in this section now, it will ask you to choose creator or business. So just choose one of them, it doesn't matter. So tap on this not now and tap on this cancel button. So if I come to my as can see now profile, now refresh your profile like this. So as can see now here it says professional dashboard. So all you have to do now, go and search for the post that you want to see who saved it on Instagram. So for me, let's say I want to see who saved this post. As you can see now, this post, this one on my Instagram account. So open up the post. After you open the post like this, tap on this view insight, this one. Tap on this view insight section. So after you tap on this view inside, now you can be able to see all the analytics under this post. So as you can see now in this section, you can be able to see how many people like this post, how many people comment on this post, how many people share this post, and how many people save this post. So here is the option. As you can see now, here is the option to see how many people save this post. Because for now nobody saved this post on Instagram, that's it, it's showing me 0. But if there is some people that save this post on Instagram, you can be able to see how many people save your post on Instagram. That's it guys on how to see who saved your post in Instagram. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.